Previously, we learned that an equation has an equal sign in it. In this equation, we have a variable plus 4, and on the other side of the equal sign, we have 14. What this means is that x plus 4 will also equal 14. We'll have a value of 14 on the left side and a value of 14 on the right side. When we find a solution to an equation, we're basically finding the value of the variable so that when we substitute in that value into the equation, we get what we have on the other side. So in this equation, we have x plus 4 equals 14. Now, if I tell you that x equals 10, I'm going to plug in that 10, and I want to see if this addition problem will equal 14. So once I substitute in my value, I'm going to simplify and I get 14. And 14, in fact, is equal to 14. So because this is true, 14 equals 14, x equals 10. And this is called my solution. In the exercises, you're going to be asked to substitute the value of a variable in an equation to see if it is the correct solution, or if it is the solution. Let's do a couple of examples. Say we have 2x plus 4 equals 20. We're going to say that x equals 8. So the key thing here is we're going to substitute the value of x for x. Then we're going to simplify, and we're going to determine if it is true or not true. So let me plug in 8 for where I see x. So I'm going to have 2 times 8 plus 4 equals 20, and I'm asking, is this true? Well, 2 times 8 is 16 plus 4 is going to give me 20. So because these two are the same, x equals 8 is my solution. Let's do another example. Let's say we have 5x minus 8 equals 9, and we're going to plug in x, or we're going to say that x equals 3. So again, substitute, simplify, and check to see if it's true. And if it's not true, then we know it's not the solution. So I'm going to plug in the 3, so it'll be 5 times 3 minus 8, and we want to know, is that going to be equal to 9? This is 15 minus 8, 15 minus 8, so we're still wondering, is that 9? That's actually going to be 7. So 7 is not equal to 9. This is not true. So x is not equal to 3. And so we'll have to come up with another solution. But for now, we're just plugging in numbers. Let's do one more problem. In this equation, we have a variable on both sides. We have 6y minus 5 equals 4y minus 1. And I'm going to say that y equals 2. Now I need to substitute. 6 times 2 minus 5. Is that equal to 4 times 2 minus 1? That's going to be 12 minus 5. And that's going to be 8 minus 1. 12 minus 5 is 7. 8 minus 1 is also 7. And so because both results give me a 7, this is true. So this is the solution. Y equals 2 is the solution.